YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. And I did want to dive right into these Shiba Inu charts. But before I do, guys, I just want to remind you guys that I did open back up the Discord. So if you're not yet plugged in the Discord, there's a ton of free content in there, as well as we do TAs just like this of every single coin, guys. We do it of Bitcoin, especially every single Tuesday. So make sure you drop in our Discord. It's totally free, and that is a tool for you guys to be successful just for being subscribed to my channel. So all you gotta do, hit the subscribe button and come join us on Discord. Love to hear with you. Love to meet you guys as well. But I want to share with you guys just a little bit about Shiba Inu and why I think, honestly, guys, that Q4 is going to be so big for SHIB just from a technical analysis standpoint. Now you guys can see SHIB's coming in at number 14 on CoinMarketCap with 1.7 million people watching this, and it's up today in 24-hour volume 110%. So this goes to show you right here that every single time that Bitcoin pumps, guys, we are seeing a massive increase in volume, whether that be longs and shorts or whatever. But there's a lot of eyes on SHIB. Again, a lot of eyes, 1.7 million eyes on SHIB on CoinMarketCap, guys, and this market cap sitting at $6.2 billion right now. It might be a good time to start acquiring, guys, and I'm going to show you why. Because let's go look at our big brother Bitcoin over here. As you guys can see, Bitcoin coming in today at 21K. But we talked about this volatility, guys. We talked about the fact that there's a good chance that we come up and we retest this, and this could still not be the indicator that we need to see. We still have not got confirmation of a break up yet. This could still be a bear trend. We are still consolidating sideways. This can still be a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder and a dump. A lot of people, as you guys could see in the comment sections, thinking that Bitcoin is actually going to go down. A few people thinking that it's going to go up. But a lot of these guys that are looking at TA right now are thinking might not be able to go up. We might be going down. Well, if you're bearish on this, guys, I could see why you guys could say that. Again, a lot of people are saying that we're in a recession right now. We're going to see a big sell-off. But guys, I just want to show you a couple things that will reinstall your confidence in Bitcoin. Okay, first of all, the all-time logarithmic, guys. We don't sit on hourly charts. We don't sit on minute charts. We're not even looking at really so much the 7-day chart unless it's really a bull rally and there's a lot of volume and we want to catch a quick pump and just get in and out of trades, guys. But for all you guys that are long-term on Bitcoin, all you guys that are long-term on this space and see the opportunity, this is a chart you want to look at, this all-time logarithmic chart. Guys, we knew that we were probably going to see a correction around here. Again, we talked about that head and shoulders pattern, right? Guys, we've been talking about this head and shoulders playing out for over a year now, right? Now we've been talking ever since then about this recovery, right? We thought that we had some support here. We trended sideways. We talked about the fact that this is probably going to be a bear flag. We broke down. We made somewhat of a bear flag. But again, we're trying to see if we could retest these lines of resistance and make them into some lines of support, supporting some kind of a bull effort to make this market go back up. And guys, I think that we're going to see it soon. I want to show you guys our 200-week moving average. Now, you guys who are not familiar with some of these charts, I'm going to link this website. It's lookintabitcoin.com. They have a lot of different charts that are really useful. I use all these charts just because over time, some of these charts will prove to just not work, but some of these charts have proved to be good. Like this chart, I think, is one of my favorite charts, the 200-week moving average chart. As you guys could see, every time that we've touched this 200-week moving average, we've kind of jumped up. We've jumped, and this is the first time actually in the history of Bitcoin where we closed under the 200-week moving average, right? So in my opinion, I think that our retracement is going to be more like this, more about like the last time we went a little bit under, where we see a massive growth and a new all-time high. I do think that Q4 is going to be really big for Bitcoin. I think it's going to be big for coins like Shiba Inu, for a lot of altcoins and stuff like that as well. And in my opinion, guys, we're in a time of accumulation. Now's the time to accumulate, even if we drop again. I'm saying, I'm not disagreeing with the bears that we can see another possible sell-off. Again, there's a lot of FUD right now and a lot of craziness going on, and these guys want the cheapest Bitcoin they could get because they know that this thing, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, and they want the cheapest price of Bitcoin that they can get. And guys, every single time that we've touched this 200-week moving average, it's been a great time to buy Bitcoin. You know, it's been a a last chance to buy Bitcoin before it goes up to a higher price and possibly never comes back again, chance to buy Bitcoin. So just so you guys can understand, for those of you guys who are really long term on this, again, we're talking about Q4. Okay. So this is another one. This is our fear greed index, right? We talk about the fear greed index, but we don't usually look at this chart. I found this chart and I really like it because it kind of shows it as a graph, which is better. So I like it. As you guys can see, we are heavily in the fear right now. And historically, when we get to these red levels of fear, it is followed by a bull rally. It's followed by a massive spike up. Every time that we hit the red, it will trend that way for a little while, even a couple months, and then we will jump up. We will see a price increase. And guys, in my opinion, Bitcoin is so heavily oversold right now. There's so much fear in the market right now that we are so waiting for a pump. And I said it, guys. I said when we hit 20K, it's a psychological barrier for a lot of people. There's a chance that we don't drop under 20K. There's a chance that we might see a faster recovery. If we do see a drop down, again, I've been saying it on the channel and I'm still sticking to this. I think if we see one more drop down, we're going to touch 18K one more time. We might retest this level right here. And then I think that we're going to start seeing Bitcoin make somewhat of a recovery. I think we're going to start seeing a cup and handle form. And I think that we're going to have a rock in Q4, guys. So, for all of you guys who have just been tuned into the channel, for all you guys who are just still in the crypto market, all you guys that are invested in coins like Shiba Inu, things like Bitcoin and stuff like this, I think there's a good chance, again, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I think there's a good chance that we're going to see a pump pretty soon, guys. But in my opinion, can this pump be the pump? It's a possibility, but in reality, there's a good chance that this is another bear trap because, again, guys, they want you to be exhausted, right? They want you to think every time that Bitcoin is trying to make any kind of recovery that it's just going to come crashing back down to a halt. So just understand that we might see another sell-off. It might be a great time to accumulate SHIB. If we see SHIB drop down to these 7, 8 levels, this is where I'm buying. If I was to buy right now, or if you're looking to get into the market right now, if you think that it's going to pump more, we're going to see more upside. If you're bullish on Bitcoin, like some of these other guys in the short term, you can just, buy half now maybe. And then if we drop down lower, buy the other half. If we do decide to test this 7K, that's the best way, in my opinion. That's my best strategy for a day like today is to, since we're butting up on some key resistance, if you're bullish, buy half now if you think it's going to have the breakout. But if you're not quite sure, then again, save half your bag to buy the dip. How much can Bitcoin go down? Again, guys, it's all speculative. This whole market is speculative. Bitcoin's market is coming pretty close now to $1 trillion market cap. So it's starting to reclaim some of its market cap, which is good. And as you guys can see, the sentiment is kind of looking like it is going to be positive, hopefully, if we could see some kind of a bounce. But what do you guys think? I want to know. Let me know in the comments below. Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Are you bullish on Shiba Inu for Q4? Do you see more downside in the short term or in the long term? Do you think Bitcoin's just going to go to zero? Let me know in the comments below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. YouTube's getting really funny lately with a lot of crypto channels. They're not giving you guys alerts and stuff like that. So make sure that you are hitting that bell notification to know when I make new videos. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.